Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Third step in creating a photo book is setting the book's options. To do this, use the features in the 9 panels at the right side of the book module. The first panel is the Book Settings panel. This panel lets you set the book's basic publishing features. You can click the Book Settings panel to expand and collapse it. The options you see in this panel vary depending on which type of output file you specify. Use the Book drop-down menu at the top of the panel to select one of the blurb printing options, PDF, or JPEG. The JPEG and PDF panel options are very similar. If you select either of these two choices from the drop-down menu, then use the related drop-down menus and options that appear in this panel to set the size, cover, JPEG quality, color profile, file resolution, sharpening, and media type of your book. If you select one of the blurb options from the book drop-down menu, then use the related drop-down menus to specify the size, cover type, paper type, and logo page for your book. The estimated price changes based upon the selections you make. You can use the drop-down menu to change the currency if needed. For more information about blurb products and pricing, you can click the Learn More button at the bottom of the panel to visit the Blurb website in your default web browser. Note that photo books published to Blurb must be at least 20 pages long.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.